One, isn't it?
Lily, who would you have chosen?
I think you would get the Perseverance Prize.
Thank you, thank you. Well, seeing as I added some clouds quite suitably for today. Today
Very
was quite
good.
grey and
Yes.
gloomy, wasn't it?
Yes, bonus points for that, very weather themed, and it was dreary today, and we can see that when we take a look at the satellite. We were under this layer of cloud, and to the side of us some clearer breaks. We had hoped today that maybe those clearer skies would be over us, but the cloud just moved in from the east a bit sooner, so it was rather dreary. And when we take a look at what's headed our way, we can see that we're still under this area of high pressure. So what that means is generally dry, settled conditions with light winds, but you might notice those darker shadows here on the chart. That is more cloud cover, so possibly quite cloudy again tomorrow, but hopefully we should have a touch more in the way of brightness sort of around midday time.
Now, last night you showed us a wonderful photo of the moon, didn't it, with an amazing halo, but I think you've surpassed yourself this evening, haven't you?
Absolutely. It's actually a composite image, so multiple on top of each other, but it is a bit of a showstopper from Neil Mara from Jersey's Astronomy Club. Take a look at this. The moon alongside 5 planets. All were visible in the sky last night between 6:30 and 10 p.m. Absolutely incredible scenes there. And for those of you who aren't sure which is which, I can talk you through them. Obviously, the moon is the biggest one, but then going outwards, we have Mars, slightly reddish there, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn and Venus. And pretty much all of them, except for Uranus, are visible with the naked eye, but you'd have a better chance of seeing them if you look through some binoculars or a telescope. Unfortunately, tonight is rather on the cloudy side, but keep an eye out for the rest of this month. Let's get all your weather details now. Well, things ended up rather on the cloudy side today, and as we head into tomorrow, we can expect more cloud cover at times, but perhaps just a touch more brightness tomorrow around midday. We are as well, though, expecting mist and fog patches tonight, and some of that may well be lingering into tomorrow morning, but it shouldn't persist throughout the day, and we should have mostly dry conditions during the day as well. Back to tonight then, it's going to be mostly cloudy and overcast. Some mist and fog patches are likely, and light and variable winds again tonight, but slightly milder temperatures than we've experienced over the past few nights, with minimums there of 5 to 6 degrees. It is possible as well tonight that we could get some light patchy rain and drizzle at times. By tomorrow daytime, it should be mostly a dry picture. Mist and fog patches are likely in the morning, but as I said, that shouldn't be there lingering throughout the whole day. It will, though, be a rather cloudy day, perhaps slightly more in the way of brightness poking through as that cloud breaks up around midday and into the afternoon. And we still have light winds tomorrow, around a force 2 to force 3, coming in from a southeasterly direction with highs of 8 degrees. Heading through into tomorrow evening and nighttime, then it will be a mixture of clear periods, but still cloud cover around and some possible mist patches as well as we head into Friday morning. Let's get our times of high water for tomorrow then, between 8 and 9 a.m, later on between around 8:30 and 9 p.m, with the sea temperature now at 9.2 degrees. So in summary, it's settled and mainly dry, but a bit more in the way of cloud over the next few days. Still fairly light winds, and we could get some more brightness on Friday, but looking rather overcast with some mist and fog possible by the time we reach Saturday.